Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about making text italicized in HTML using the I tag. So guys, basically if you must have used the italicized formatting feature of the word processor, you must be knowing how the italicized works, but how do we use it in the HTML source document? So just like how we used the italicized feature in the word processor, we can have such formatting in HTML documents as well. So in order to make the text look italicized, anything that appears within the I tag over here, that is the starting and the ending tag, will be italicized. So let us check this with the help of examples now. Previously we had seen how we can make the text as bold and strong, which helps us in order to grab the user's attention. Now we are going to use another paragraph over here. So we start with the P tag and then we will say this text is italicized, and then we have in this paragraph. So guys, basically this is another simple paragraph that this text is italicized in this paragraph. Now guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page on the browser. So when we reload this page, as you can see, this is a normal text that is being displayed over here inside the paragraph. Now guys, we want to make this text is italicized look as italicized over here. So what we have to do is we need to enclose these three words within the I tag. So over here we will come in the source document, we will have less than symbol and then we say I and then followed by the greater than symbol over here, and then this ending tag we can just cut it and paste it after the italicized word. So over here we have the text is italicized being enclosed within this I tags. So let me just save this file now, go to the browser and reload this page once again. So as you can see, the text is italicized, is being displayed in the italicized format, and this is the way that we can use the feature in the HTML document as well. Guys, based on your requirements, you can show any of the text, whether it is one word or multiple words, in the italicized format. Comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is making text underlined in HTML using the U tag. So stay tuned.